In the world of business, every sunrise brings new opportunities, a fresh canvas for the dreamers and the doors. In the hustle and bustle, where challenges meet creativity and resilience molds success, remember this: your journey is a story waiting to be written. It's not about the size of your dream, it's about the fire within you. The flame that fuels your determination, turning obstacles into stepping stones. Success is a team sport. Surround yourself with those who inspire you, challenge you, and believe in your vision. Your goals are the compass guiding your journey. Be clear, be focused, and let passion be your driving force. Embrace partnerships and collaborations. Great things happen when minds unite. Together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. Don't forget to pay it forward. Success is not just about personal gain, but about lifting others as you climb. As the day ends, reflect on your progress. Celebrate the victories, learn from the challenges, and let each day inspire you to reach new heights. Your journey is extraordinary. Keep writing your story, and make every moment count. Harness the power of unity, continually uplift others, learn from daily reflections, and remember, your extraordinary journey is the greatest story ever told.